students, welcome to the last video of straight line. In today's video we are going to see the distance between two parallel line. So formula to find the distance between two parallel line. So let's start. If two lines are parallel to each other, then to find the distance between these two parallel lines, means these are the parallel lines L1 and L2, then distance between these two parallel lines, suppose this is denoted by D, then this D will be mod of C1 minus C2 upon root of A square plus B square. Okay, now what is C1 and C2? So suppose equation of line 1 is Ax plus By plus C1 equal to 0. Equation of second line is suppose Ax plus By plus C2 is equal to 0. Okay, now since both the lines are equal, right, since both the lines are parallel lines, that means slopes are same, right? Since lines are parallel, therefore slopes will be same, right? So only constant part is different. The remaining part, equation of first line is Ax plus By plus C1 is equal to 0, and equation for second line is Ax plus By plus C2 is equal to 0. Okay, so only constant part is different and the remaining part is exactly same because lines are parallel to each other. Then distance will be, D will be C1 minus C2 upon root of A square plus B square. Okay, this is the formula of calculating the distance. Okay, so let's see the proof. So to derive the formula, see, this is the x and y axis, this is L1 line, L2 line, right? Then this distance is D. Okay, here point is P x1 y1. Okay, I am taking point P on line L1. Okay, then equation of first line is Ax plus By plus C1 equal to 0, and equation of second line will be Ax plus By plus C2 is equal to 0. Okay, now class, see this point P, P x1 y1. Okay, I am taking L2, let me clear. Okay, now see, I am taking line L2, okay, and taking this point P. So this distance D, right, this point P is outside from the line L2, right, then this D is nothing but the distance of a point from the line. Okay, forget this L1, just think about this point. Okay, then this P is a point and L2 is a line, then D will be a distance of a point from the line, right? Previous concept, right? So the previous formula was P is equal to mod of Ax1 plus By1 plus C upon under root of A square plus B square, right? This is the concept. Okay, so in place of Ax plus By plus C2, here equation is C2, so it will be C2, right? So from the previous formula, we are getting P as Ax1 plus By1 plus C2 upon root of A square plus B square. Once again, see, this point P is a point outside the line L2, right? I am interested in finding the distance D. So this d, by using the previous formula, we get this d or p, right? Previously we are denoting this distance as p. So formula for p was ax1 plus by1 plus c. But here equation of a line is c2. So ax1 plus by1 plus c2 upon root of a square plus b square, right? This is the formula for p. But here it is not p, it is denoted by d. So d is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c2 upon root of a square plus b square. Okay, this much part is clear. Now see point p. Point p is on the line ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, right? That means ax1 plus by1, that is plus c1 equal to 0. Okay, so from this what I am getting, ax1 plus by1 is equal to minus c1, right? ax1 plus by1, I am taking this c1 on right hand side. So ax1 plus by1 is equal to minus c1. Okay, so here I am substituting ax1 plus by1 as minus c1. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to substitute ax1 plus by1 as minus c1 here. So what I will get, d is equal to minus c1 plus c2 upon root of a square plus b square, right? So finally what I am getting, d is equal to c2 minus c1 upon root of a square plus b square. This formula. Clear? Clear? Just rewriting the terms, c2 minus c1 upon root of a square plus b square. Okay, so hence we can prove this formula. Okay, so proof is given. So line L1, then L1, equation of L1 is ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Equation of line 2 is ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Now since point P x1 y1 be a point on the line ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, right? So therefore we can substitute x as x1 or y as y1. So what we will get? We will get ax1 plus by1 plus c1 equal to 0. So from this we are taking c1 on right hand side. So we will get ax1 plus by1 is equal to minus c1. Okay. Then from the previous formula, since P is a point outside the line L2, so by using the previous formula we get D is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c2 upon root of a square plus b square. But ax1 plus by1 is minus c1. So minus c1 plus c2 upon root of a square plus b square. Okay. So finally we will get formula as D is equal to mod of c2 minus c1 upon root of a square plus b square. Okay. So this is the formula for finding distance between two parallel lines. Now let us see the example. So example is, find perpendicular distance between parallel lines 5x minus 12y plus 1 equal to 0 and 10x is equal to 24y plus 1. So line 1 is 5x minus 12y plus 1 equal to 0, and line 2 is given as 10x equal to 24y plus 1. Okay, now we can rewrite this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so line 2 will be 10x minus 24y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now class, to find the distance between parallel lines, there is a condition. Condition is a and b should be exactly same, right? So a and b value should be same. Here it is 5x minus 12y, here it is 10x minus 24y. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide this equation by 2. Okay, so by dividing this by 2, we get 5x minus 12y minus half equal to 0. Okay, now see, I am getting the exactly same term, 5x minus 12y, 5x minus 12y. Okay, now I will take C1, C2. So here a is 5, b is minus 12, C1 is 1 and C2 is minus half. Okay, so first I have to find all the values, then I have to use the formula for d. D is mod of C2 minus C1 upon root of a square plus b square. So C2 is minus half minus 1 upon root of 5 square plus minus 12 square. So by cross multiplying, we get numerator as minus 3 upon 2 divided by root of 25 plus 144. Okay, so 3 upon 2 into 13. So finally we get answer as 3 upon 26 units. Okay, so with this I am concluding this video. Thank you students.